Let me give you another one. This is now orange. Wow. Do you like this one? Really? Still not happy? So many candies and you are still not happy? Oh my kitty! Let me give you the another one. Do you know what is this? Wow, 2 to 1 pop plus 1 toy. This is very nice. This is 2 to 1 pop plus 1 toy is very nice. Look, 2 different colors inside. There's a yellow and a red. Oh, do you like this one? Can you try this? Oh, really? Let me give you the another one. At this time, I'm gonna give you a giant lolly. Wow! Mega lollipop. Oh, I hope you love this one. This is like bigger than your face. Look at this. Here. Oh my kitty, this is very nice. You like this? Really? Not this one. Let me try another one. Oh my kitty, look at this. Now what I'm gonna give you a super big mega lollipop. Oh, do you know this is super big? It's bigger than your hands and a face. This is so much big. Do you like this one, kitty? Are you happy now? Really? Still not happy? Oh my gosh, how you will be happy? Look, my kitty, I'm gonna give you a mega lollipop now. Do you know what is this? A super mega lollipop. This is a super giant lollipop. Do you know how this is so much nice and delicious? It's a big mega collection of lollies inside. I love this one and I hope you love this one. I love this super lolly big one. Who like this? Please say cheers with me. I hope everybody will like it. Do you like this one now? Oh, really? Still not like it? Let me give you now the... And now you have to tell me the different colors of the Smarties. Let's play with these candies. Oh, you have a big collection of candies here. Oh my gosh, you have a big collection of candies. I love this one and I'm happy that my kitty is happy now finally. So can you play with this one? I want to ask you, tell me about the different colors of the candies. What color is this one in this lolly? You have to tell me one by one. In the circle one, how many colors are there in the circle one? Can you pick up this one and show me how many colors in it? Which one colors is in it? Each one you can tell me. Wow, good. Now show me the pine one, other one, triangle one. Wow, it's a very geometric shape. Oh, wow. Which color is this one? Wow, it's nice. Wow, now show me the other one. What shape is this? Oh, this is semicircle. And what colors are in it? Wow, it's nice. And what other lollies colors do you have? Wow, and the other one? Wow, and can you take the Smarties from the bottle? Yes, open them and then let's see how many different colors you will take it from them. Yes, let's see what color is in it.
And red.
Wow, okay, can you roll them down? Wow, and the other milk bottle, the Smartie bottle. Wow, Very nice. I love this one. Wow. And the big lollies. Wow, super. Oh my kitty, I'm happy that you are happy. Hi everybody, please leave your comments and like our video and subscribe. And I hope so you will enjoy our videos. We will come back with another nice video. Our next video will be the lollies. So wait for that and stay tuned with us. Please join and subscribe us and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye. Bye.